Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm super excited to share with you in this video this platform that I've found that will allow you to get paid for posting posts on social media. So like you would on Instagram and Facebook, this platform is actually going to pay you through monetization 60 to 90% of the revenue for every single like and view you get on your post. I'm going to show you how you can get $5 for signing up straight away on this platform, and I've already made my first post through this platform, and I'm going to show you what I'm earning as well. But I'm going to put up a pop-up on the screen of the screenshots of the payout that this kikitime.com website does actually pay. But before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can leave a like on this video, as I love uploading videos for you guys, helping you guys out make money online, coming up with constant ideas for you guys. As you can see, I've got some really interesting business models and platforms that you can use to make good money online, all international methods, and this can be done all over the world. And if you guys are new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe down below, as I upload constantly various different videos, various different courses that a lot of people record and actually sell online for profit, but yeah, I've got it for free for you guys. So I'd really appreciate it if you can show some support, and I'll help you guys out in return. But let's get straight back into the method, and you can see the website I've got here is kikitime.com, and you'll see it will pop up with a page like this. Kiki is a social network for artists, creators, photographers, and storytellers to share their work. It can also be used for business, which is what I'm actually using it for. To actually really goes hand in hand with my YouTube channel, my Instagram page, my Facebook page as well, to really get traffic between all the social media networks. That's what's also nice about this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the sign up button, and then it's going to ask you for your phone number, first name, and password. That's all you need. So I'm going to sign in with my account I've already created. Then I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn with this website and how you can benefit from your posts. And once you've signed in, you will see that it will pop up with a feed very similar to that of Instagram or Facebook. You've got your general public feed where you a whole bunch of people are posting various different posts. So you've got what you call hot posts, super posts, and new posts. And again, this application is also available on Android and iOS, which is fantastic. And you can actually see I just created a post now recently, literally 5 minutes ago, on how you can get paid passive income online. So what I'm doing is I'm actually putting my YouTube posts through this Kiki app, which is fantastic. And at the moment, I've got one what you call fire up, which is equivalent to a like on Instagram. And you'll see if I come over to the little dollar sign, the money tab, which is going to show you how much you're going to get paid and how you get paid. And you can see for signing up, I just got $5, and then the 2 views, or the 1 super like I got on my post, I got 30 cents. So just for 1 like or for 2 views, I got 30 cents, which is like really good pay. So I'm going to work this out. I've got my calculator, and I got paid 30 cents for just the 2 views I got on my first post. So I'm going to go, let's say I get 20 views per post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 20 times 0.30. That is $6 I'm going to earn just on 20 views, which is fantastic. That is really good pay through kikitime.com. And how Kiki earns their money is Kiki makes money from advertisements and shares 60 to 90% of the revenue with the creators who produce original content on Kiki, like you and me. And how you collect your money on kiki.com, when you reach the $75 threshold, there's going to be a purple receive button where you can withdraw your cash out. Depending on how much you wish to be paid, you'll be asked to enter your information to receive your $75. And you can expect to receive your earnings within 7 business days via PayPal, Bitcoin, Western Union, debit card or credit card, or Google Pay, which is really fantastic. These are all international platforms. As I know, PayPal is not often supported in India. Then you can get paid via Western Union or debit or credit card. And how you can increase your earnings on Kiki. Kiki pays you 0.25 to $1 per picture you upload, and $1 to $2 per 400 words that you write, which is really good pay. As I say, that is fantastic pay. And you can also build your own community. So how can you help other publishers earn money and grow their communities, which will favor you in return? You can join their page, fire up their posts, and share their posts with your friends, and you are also bound to get this in return, and also a lot more revenue on your posts. And you'll see I've got my profile. So I've got my profile, Make Money Online, J Froneman, and then I've got my page, which I've created, also Make Money Online, J Froneman. So a page on this is sort of like a Facebook page where you can create your own page, you can get your own community going, you can get as much as followers on your page and build your own community, as I say. And the more followers you get over time, the more money you're going to earn on the Kiki app, which is really good. And at the same time, you will see in my post, if I come back to my post here, if I click on it, I actually put here how I'll teach you how you can earn $1.50 over and over by collecting emails, which was actually my recent video that I created, and I've got my YouTube link. So the nice thing about Kiki.com, you can also grow your channel, your Instagram page or your Facebook page by posting links and providing free stuff. And what I really recommend with Kiki.com to make really fantastic posts, I'm actually going to make a post for you guys. So I'm going to click on the little plus sign on my profile page, and you'll see you've got a post title, description, and a page. So what I'm going to do is for my title, I'm going to take another one of my YouTube videos. So I'm going to go this one here, make money watching videos online. I'm literally just going to copy this title, and I'm going to come back to Kiki. I'm going to paste this title, and I'm also going to use the same description. So let's say that piece there. I'm just going to summarize the best ways to make videos online. Oops, I just closed the tab. And then what I want to do is I just want to copy this link of my video, and I'm going to paste it here. And the best thing about Kiki, it can be used for any niche. So let's say you're into cooking. What you can do is you can literally put a free course on how to cook homemade meals in the evenings, and you can include a video to this on YouTube, a free video. You can literally go to youtube.com and search a video on how to cook homemade meals. So I'm going to post this, or I'm just going to quickly add a picture to my post. As obviously pictures are super attractive. I'm just going to find that same thumbnail that I use. So I'm now going to add that post. There we go. So now I'm submitting my post with my picture, my description, and my post title, which hopefully people will view, and you'll see I will get hopefully super likes and comments over time. You can see, there we go, I've made my post. And then I want to take another example for you. So let's say you're into the cooking niche and you want to get some fantastic posts. What you can do is you can actually come over to a website called canva.com, and you will see a tab here, Instagram posts, which is a template. Canva.com is a place that will give you templates. This one specifically designed for Instagram posts. So let's say again we're into the food niche. I'm going to choose this specific picture here as I really like it, and I'm going to go free homemade meal course, which is pretty handy, or free homemade, or let's go free cooking course. It doesn't fit. Free cooking courses. Free cooking courses. There we go. And I can click on this one, and I can go YouTube, and on the website link you can maybe just type in the name of your channel or the link to your channel. So I'm just going to go J Froneman, for example. And that's a pretty simple post. You can add get other pictures ideas as well. So you can go food picture on Google, non-copyrights. And you can also go and add pictures to your post. You can create your own pictures. So if I go to the images tab, you can use one of these pictures and add it. You can see if I click on it, you can delete it, and you can add it as a background to the specific post. You can then download it. On the top right, there's a big download button, and you can come back to Kiki and add your picture by clicking on the little picture icon and choosing your file, having your post title. So you can go free cooking courses for moms at home, and add a little description and the link to that video on YouTube. So you can then come over to YouTube, and if you want to get yourself a free video, and you don't even have to make the video yourself, it can be a video that you find on YouTube. So let's go homemade meals cooking. Do you want to do that? Yeah, full meals anyone can make. You can copy that link. You can literally go right click, copy link address, and put it in the description. And why you want to do this is because you want to provide people with free stuff, free content, free value, because then you're bound to get a lot of support on your page, because people love free stuff. I mean, who doesn't want something for free? And that is the best way, I personally believe, in terms of marketing, getting an audience, is start off by providing and giving to the community, and then over time you will be given in return, whether it's support, whether it's revenue on your ads. But at first, focus on giving back to the community, which is my idea, or my favorite way of really building an audience and helping people out. So that is how this Kiki app works, or website works. It is also an app you can get on Android and the Play Store. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below what you think of the Kiki app. I think it is really a great one. As you saw, I got paid. Here we go, 0.31. So I literally earned another cent, or another 30 cents in the last 5-10 minutes I've been recording this video, which is really good money on revenue for these ads. But if you guys really enjoyed this video, comment down below what you think, and if you need any other help or ways to make money online, I'm willing to help you out directly through Instagram or through the comments down below. I read every single comment, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure, or if you'd like to, leave a like down below. As I say, I really appreciate every single one of you on my channel subscribed and supporting my videos. It really means a lot to me. And also, if you're keen to get more videos on how to make money on like this, courses, different business models completely for free, make sure to subscribe down below, because I release consistently and consistent uploads and courses on how you can make money online, drop shipping models, selling on Amazon, e-commerce, whatever it may be. I make these sort of videos for you guys for free that a lot of people charge for. Here I've got it on my channel for you guys. So I really love helping you out and providing you this content. And also make sure you're ready for tomorrow's video. It's going to be an awesome one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.